Next domain which we will cover is the body control domain of a vehicle. Luxury interior and exterior lighting, head and the back lights, wireless keys, roof tap controls, wipers, and etc. Basically, body control domain focuses on the non-functional driving functions of a car. In modern cars, the body control domain is getting smarter with the integration of IoT. All these are the examples of the body control domain features. Next domain which we will cover is the body control domain of a vehicle. These are the domains which consist the systems like luxury interior and exterior lighting, head and the back lights, windows, seat adjustment systems, automatic locking of the doors, wireless keys, roof tap controls, wipers, and etc. Basically, body control domain focuses on the non-functional driving functions of a car, which makes the driving experience more comfortable, enjoyable, and convenient to the drivers and passengers of the car. But it's not just about convenience, it also consists of systems of safety and efficiency. For example, the switching on of back and headlights automatically on the immediate car brake, rain sensing wipers which automatically gets on as the rain is detected on the front or the back mirror, and their speed is controlled according to the speed of the rain. Climate control air conditioning systems which maintains the temperature inside the car to make the car ride more efficient. In modern cars, the body control domain is getting smarter with the integration of IoT and sensor based systems. Gesture control for automatic trunk opening, activated functions of the voice for controlling the different functions inside the car like music and opening of the doors and windows and etc. The body control domain is basically all the systems that provide luxury and comfort to the vehicle, and these are the heroes behind the comfortable and the convenient rides that we can experience in the vehicles. Now let's explore some real-time car examples showcasing their body control domain features. The first one, that is the Tesla Model 3, uses the smart proximity sensors for automatic door locking or unlocking. MG Ultra Plus have the automatic trunk opening by the sliding the leg under the trunk. All these are the examples of the body control domain features which provides the luxury and comfort passengers and the car drive.